Hey guys, so today we are going to tackle this mess. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed to be showing y'all this, but I'm one that the house is normally clean, but behind cabinet doors, it is a whole another beast. Plus I have been watching Marie Kondo's tidying up for the past few days, and now I have completely set in my mind to get this house all together. So some organization videos are going to be coming to you guys, but first we're going to start with this pantry. So if you want to see how I'm going to get this together, then stay tuned. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do, of course, is clean it out. So I'm just going to take everything and set it on the countertop. I did try to put it in some type of order when I put it on the countertop, so that when I put it back in, it would be easier. So I'm trying to put seasonings with seasonings and canned goods with canned goods and all that good stuff. So once I got everything out, the next thing that I wanted to do was really clean the pantry. So you guys see this type of shelving that I have. I really hate this shelving. I don't like it at all. Things just fall through the cracks, and the floor of my pantry was extremely dirty. So I want to get in there and clean that. Eventually I will be adding some wood shelving, but for right now, we're just going to get it organized and clean this up as much as possible. So here is my pile. So in my pantry, not only did I have food, but I had all type of appliances and different things. So this is what I'm starting with. And this is actually a good point to start because we have to go grocery shopping. So being that we had less stuff than we would normally have, it made it a little bit easier to start organizing. So I went to Ross and I found these canisters here. They were $6.99. And I thought they were really cute. So you see they have the space right on the front where I can write whatever I want. So I'm going to use chalk and just go in and make my sugar canister. And my flour canister as well. So in addition to these canisters, I also picked up some plastic canisters as well for my kids' cereal. These I also found at Ross. And then another thing that you guys are about to see in the next clip, some other baskets that I found, I actually purchased from the dollar store. So I believe I only spent about $30 for canisters and containers, which I felt was pretty reasonable. So I did some of the baskets, some of the black baskets that you see, and then I also have some of the cube baskets in there as well. So right now I'm just trying to figure out the best way to put it, just give it the best look, because of course I still want it to look nice. So I'm just figuring out how I want it organized. So guys, I got everything back in, and oh my gosh, y'all, let me tell y'all something. This right here, this sparks joy for me. This sparks joy for me. Oh my God, I absolutely love this, guys. So you can see I just set things up, put things on stands. So I'll tell you guys what I did right here. So this is just foam board that I got from the dollar store, and I just put it there to go under my spices, only because some of the spices are so small, sometimes they will fall between the cracks. of this wire shelving. That's another reason why I just really don't like it, and I will be replacing it. But I did that. And then these are the baskets that I had. So I just organized as far as like condiments, grains, snacks, like my teas and coffees and different things like that. So this just works, guys. Y'all, I'm so excited for this. I think it looks nice. I mean, it's not super fancy, but it was really easy to do. Another good reason to do your pantry is because I found that we were actually wasting a lot of money, because we would buy things thinking that we didn't have it, but we did. Guys, when I went to go organize my seasonings, no lie, I had like 5 basils, 6 curry seasonings, like all of these seasonings that we had, all the same, because we didn't think that we had them because they were hard to find. So this will actually definitely end up saving you money and getting your house together. So I just love how this looks. I will be doing other closets in different areas in the house, so stay tuned for a whole organization series. So I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, then just go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. And if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, I noticed that I have a whole lot of new subscribers. Thank you guys for joining the Magic Mob, which is what I like to call it. So thank you. Welcome to the Magic Mob. So just join me every Tuesday at 1 p.m. for new videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks.